Let's talk about the superficial anatomy of the brain. The cerebrum is the convoluted, wrinkled outer layer, and it's organized into two hemispheres, the right cerebral hemisphere and the left cerebral hemisphere, separated by a deep groove called the longitudinal fissure. Each hemisphere is divided into 5 distinct lobes. The frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the insular lobe. The central sulcus separates the frontal and parietal lobes. The lateral sulcus marks the superior border of the temporal lobe. On the frontal lobe is the precentral gyrus, and on the parietal lobe is the postcentral gyrus. Immediately anterior to the precentral gyrus is the precentral sulcus, and immediately posterior to the postcentral gyrus is the postcentral sulcus. The parieto-occipital sulcus separates the parietal and occipital lobes. The cerebellum is a caudal brain structure organized into a right cerebellar hemisphere and a left cerebellar hemisphere. Each hemisphere consists of an anterior lobe, a posterior lobe, and the flocculus. On the anterior, we can see the cerebellar peduncles, and from a posterior view, we can see the cerebellar tonsils, and the vermis.